Before we talk about ProSet360, let's ask the question every operations team asks. If we have sensors, alarms, CMMS, and ERP, why does unplanned downtime still happen? Most failures are not sudden. They are gradual. Assets don't fail first. They drift first. The problem is not absence of data. The problem is that early signals are not connected to action. These systems exist, but they operate independently. By the time an alarm is raised, damage has already started. By the time a job card is created, operational margin is already lost. What's missing is not another dashboard. What's missing is continuity from signal to decision to execution. ProSet360 is designed to answer one question: how do we detect risk early, decide correctly, and execute fast without breaking safety or compliance? First, ProSet360 focuses on real-time condition and performance monitoring. IoT-enabled sensors track vibration, temperature, pressure, and load. But more importantly, ProSet360 looks at behavior over time, not just thresholds. Predictive maintenance is not a chart. In ProSet360, AI analytics study how assets normally behave, identify deviation, and forecast failure before alarms are triggered. This allows maintenance to be planned, not rushed. Now the part most systems fail at: integration. ProSet360 unifies ERP, SCADA, IoT, OBD, so asset health, work orders, spares, approvals, and history stop living in separate worlds. One asset, one record, one truth accessible anywhere. When ProSet360 detects an anomaly, it automatically generates digital job cards. These job cards are linked to work permits, approval workflows, execution tracking, and closure with full audit trails. Where safety matters, permits slow everything unless the system is built right. ProSet360 digitizes permit workflows end-to-end: request, approvals, tracking, closure, all with automated audit trails, linked directly to job cards. Safety and speed stop fighting each other. When operations are live, attention is everything. Talkback alerts deliver audible signals and color-coded visual alerts so critical events don't disappear inside alarm noise. The point isn't more alerts. The point is the right people responding faster. Maintenance does not fail because of tools. It fails because parts, contracts, and vendors are disconnected. ProSet360 manages MCs, spares, and vendor SLAs directly linked to asset condition and job execution. Because work doesn't happen at a desk, ProSet360 runs on web and mobile, so operators, supervisors, and leaders can see status, respond, approve, close from plant floor, vessel, yard, or site. Yes, ProSet360 integrates IDS, video surveillance, access control, asset tracking, geofencing, and alarm systems. Because unauthorized access, asset movement, and security breaches are also operational risks. Different industries, different assets, same need: control, visibility, predictability. ProSet360 helps you see risk early, act faster, and keep assets inside safe operating margins. If you want maintenance that is planned, auditable, and predictable, contact ProSet360.